you want to resurface an old slab like this one, don't put resurfacer right on the slab. First, check the depth of the damaged area. Like here, you see it's about inch deep. Here it's about inch deep. There it's about inch deep. Here as well. And the majority of resurfacers, they're not designed to penetrate that deep. So first, what you want to do, you want to cover it with the sand and cement mortar as flat as you can do. And after that, you can apply resurfacer. Before you apply the mortar, clean it up. Once your concrete slab has dried up, it's time to mix up the mortar. So here I use cement sand mix, and also we'll apply bonding adhesive. Always wear a respirator mask, especially when you mix cement mixes. Also, I like to mix it up a little bit before I apply water. This bag requires 4 liters of water. Once the concrete and sand mix is ready, it's time to apply this bonding adhesive. Of course, don't forget to shake it well. Cover all horizontal and vertical surfaces. And if you have some, you can also add it to the mortar mix and mix it up. Now it's time to spread the mortar mix over the area. Also have a finishing trowel like this, so it allows you to spread it easily. The purpose here is just to make the area flat. Don't increase the width of the slab. Now, if you really want, you can make it smooth once you're finishing applying, and technically you will not need resurfacer. So we'll see it at the end. The plan is to make the area flat first, and then we'll see what's going to be the next step. By the way, this is not fast setting cement, so don't rush. You will be able to apply it and smoothen it within the given time. Now, as you can see, it has some uneven places. We're not going to touch it much. What we're going to do, we're going to leave it for 30 minutes at least, let it a little bit dry, and then we're going to come back, we're going to wet the sponge, and we're going to smoothen the surface. Dump your sponge and gently start wiping off the concrete. Do not apply pressure, just smoothly and gently. Do the same on vertical surfaces. I actually like how it looks, to the point that I consider not to apply Resurfacer. Look at that. The edges are pretty straight here. Even at the end, it looks good. And for those who are worried about the gap here between the asphalt and the slab, here we're gonna place the asphalt to make a slope. I made sure the edges are nice. Here we have some bumps because the old stairs had some metal parts, so I didn't want to cut them. I just wanted to cover them a little bit, and it's not that visible. We still want to make it non-slippery. We're gonna take this hard bristle broom and just gently apply over the area. I honestly really like how it looks at the end. And once it dries, it's gonna look exactly like this. And this is how you can prepare your old concrete slab for the resurfacing, or actually resurface it with the cement and sand mix. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe. It will greatly help growing this channel. And until the next one, cheers.